Have you ever felt that your credit card is both your best friend and your worst enemy? One moment, it's helping you buy something you need, and the next, it's trapping you in unexpected debt. If you've ever been surprised by a credit card bill much higher than you expected, you are not alone. Many people don't fully understand how interest rates, fees, and financial traps work, which leads to costly mistakes. But what if I told you that your credit card doesn't have to be the villain of your finances? In fact, if used strategically, it can be a powerful financial tool, helping you accumulate benefits, earn rewards, and even improve your credit score. The problem isn't the card itself, it's how you use it. In today's video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes people make with credit cards, why they end up in debt, and most importantly, how to turn your credit card into a financial ally rather than an enemy. So stick with me until the end, because some of these strategies could change the way you manage your money forever. Many people see credit cards as financial villains, but the truth is that they are simply tools, neither good nor bad. It all depends on how you use them. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking of their credit limit as an extension of their salary. If the bank gives you a $5,000 limit, it doesn't mean you suddenly have an extra $5,000 to spend. This mindset can quickly lead to overuse. You start swiping your card for unnecessary purchases, thinking you'll pay them off later. The problem? Later arrives and you don't have enough money to cover the full balance. That's when the debt cycle begins. Another common mistake is making only the minimum payment on the credit card bill. This is one of the fastest ways to fall into a financial trap. Banks encourage this practice because it keeps you in debt while they continue charging high interest rates. The reality is that credit card interest rates are some of the highest in the market, sometimes exceeding 200% annually. When you only pay the minimum amount, the remaining balance carries over to the next month, accumulating interest. Over time, what seemed like a small purchase can double or triple in cost. So how can you avoid these traps? The first step is to understand how credit card interest works and always aim to pay your full balance. If you can't, you should have a clear plan to settle the debt as quickly as possible.